CAPA is closed, report is complete, audit is passed, but the same problem comes back again. Have you seen this? Customer complaint again, same defect again, same issue again. Then the real question is, was the problem really solved or just closed on paper? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why CAPA gets closed but problems still return, what is missing in the system, and how to make CAPA actually effective. This is not theory. This is based on real shop floor situations. If you are dealing with repeated issues, this will help you. Let's take a real scenario. A defect happens, customer complaint, internal rejection, audit finding, CAPA is opened. Everything looks proper. Root cause written, actions defined, responsibilities assigned. CAPA is closed. Audit is satisfied. Management is satisfied. But after some time, same problem comes again. And again, same CAPA process starts. What actually happens? Why does this happen? Because CAPA is treated as documentation, not system improvement. Focus is on filling format, closing audit, showing compliance, not on solving the real problem. So what's the real root cause? Now understand this clearly. There are three main reasons. Reason number one, wrong root cause. This is the biggest issue. People write operator mistake, carelessness, training required. These are not root causes. These are symptoms. Real root cause is deeper. Process issue, control failure, detection gap. For example, if operator missed a check, why was system dependent on memory? That is the real root cause. Second, action without system change. Action is taken, but system is not changed. Training given, instructions repeated, but process remains same. So what happens? Same mistake happens again because system did not change. Number three, no effectiveness check. After CAPA closure, nobody verifies properly. Questions not asked. Is problem really solved? Is it repeating? Is control working? So, CAPA closes, but issue continues. So, what is the biggest misunderstanding here? Many organizations believe CAPA closed means problem solved. This is wrong. CAPA closure means action is completed. Effectiveness means problem does not come again. So what a strong CAPA looks like? A strong CAPA system focuses on correct root cause, system level action, effectiveness, verification, not just documentation. So what's the practical solution? Now let's make it practical. The first, focus on real root cause. Ask, why did this happen? Why was it not detected earlier? Go deeper. Avoid blaming people. Second, change the system. Action must improve system. Add control. Define parameters. Introduce mistake proofing, not just training. Third, define effectiveness criteria. Before closing CAPA, define how will we know problem is solved. For example, no recurrence for 30 days. Defect reduction, process improvement. Number 4, track CAPA daily. CAPA should not be separate. Track daily. Open CAPA, status, delays. This ensures follow-up. 5, clear ownership. Every CAPA must have owner, timeline, responsibility. Without ownership, CAPA becomes formality. So some common mistakes. Avoid this. Copy paste root causes. Generic actions like training, closing CAPA quickly, no follow-up. These make CAPA weak. So what's the role of leadership here? Leadership should not ask, is CAPA closed? They should ask, is problem solved permanently? This changes everything. What improves when CAPA becomes effective? Problems stop repeating. Rework reduces. Complaints reduce. System stabilizes. And most important, audit becomes easy. CAPA is not about closing. CAPA is about solving. If problem returns, CAPA was not effective. Focus on system, not documentation. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. We focus on practical systems, not theory. If you want to build a system where CAPA actually works, you can connect with Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.